It's E minor, C, G, and then D. One more time the verse now. 1, 2, 3. U Blei U Ieit. But ngam U briew Hynrei U Blei U Ieit. What lang U briew Jingieit jong Tang jong U Trai Kaba phynhun Jingieit jong Tang jong U Trai Kaba pyndap Jingieit jong U Trai Tang jong Kaba pynhun Jingieit jong Tang jong Kaba siewspah Jingieit jong U Okay, if I could convert this to English, so let me convert this to English. This is a new song. Right. Oh. chorus. It's by His love, only His love that can see how the English version will look like. Alright, this is a good song. Song number 1 and number 2.